Hi students, good morning. Welcome to my channel Venkat Academy. Students, today we will learn about one more type of problems, especially in concave and convex mirrors. So what is the problem here? So let's begin. What is the problem? So the problem is find the position of an object which, when placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm, produces a virtual image which is twice the size of the object. So that is the question. So this is somewhat the question questions. So when you understand the question, the answer is very easy. First, you will try to understand the question first. Okay, let's begin. First, you have to write the given data here. So what is the given data? So the given data is find the position of an object which, when placed in front of a concave mirror, which mirror? Concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Which mirror is concave mirror? So this is a concave mirror. Pole, focus, center of curvature. So this is a concave mirror. So in concave mirror, so what they are asking here? They given focal length given. How much focal length? 20 cm. How much? 20 cm. Already explained here. The focal length of concave mirror always negative. Convex mirror focal length always positive. So that's why in the given data, focal length small f is equal to minus 20 cm. How much? Minus 20 cm. Next, one more hint they given here. What is the hint here? So the hint is produces a virtual image. Already we discussed last time, image formed by concave mirror. In the concave mirror especially, first five cases are real and inverted images. Only real and inverted image. Only the last case is virtual image. Okay, so only the last case is the image formed virtual and direct image. Only last case. So last case means the object is between P and F. That is simple. Our guessing is this is the last case. Okay, why? Because the image is virtual image. Okay, must assured our answer is more than size of the object. Okay, so and also it is coming. It formed behind the mirror. And also it is the positive values. Okay, that is our basic answer. So here the clue is the image is virtual image, and also that is image is twice the size of the object. So the image is twice the size of the object. Means image distance V is equal to twice means 2 times, twice the size of the object. So this is the object. So object distance, image distance means the image distance 2 times, twice the size of the object. Okay, so that is the clue here. So one more important point here. So here V value. So the object distance means you have to take negative value. What value? Negative value. That's why here should take V is equal to minus 2U. So because here object distance always should take minus. That's why I taken V is equal to minus 2U. So this is the 2 points is given data. Next, you have to go for Mirror's formula. What is Mirror's formula here? You know very well Mirror's formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is a Mirror's formula. So these two values substitute in Mirror's formula. So what are the two values? 1 by F means 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by U. So we don't know U value, means take U value 1 by U. So here plus 1 by here V value. So what about V value here? V is equal to minus 2U. Means you have to substitute here minus 2U. Okay, next 1 by minus 20 is equal to take LCM. So here U 2U. So U 2U LCM is 2U only. 2U. Next to U into 2. 2U. That's why here 2 plus into minus minus. Minus here how much we have? 1. So because already here denominator 2U is there. That's why I should take minus 1. Next to 1 by minus 20 is equal to 2 minus 1? 1. 1 by 2U. Understand? 1 by minus 20 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 by 2U. Now take cross multiplication. So this is a cross multiplication. 2U into 1. 2U is equal to minus 20 into 1. Minus 20. Okay, yes. Now you want to u value. U means object distance. U is equal to minus 20 by 2. Minus 20 by 2. So how much? Cancel. Let's do cancel. 2 1 2 times there. That's why u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. What about object distance? U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Already we discussed here. This is which case? This one? Sixth case. In the sixth case, object is between P and F. Are you after how much? 20. Means our object must should less than 20. So we get in less than 21. 10 is less than 20 only? Yes. And also we get that answer is minus. So because object is left side of the pole. That's why it is a minus 10. So our answer is correct. Means any problem master should have to compare with the diagram. Okay, what is the diagram? So this is a which case? So the case image our answer is both are comparable or not. We have to check every problem. So your comparable means both are correct means no need to discuss. Our answer is correct. So in case in the same question they ask me what about image distance? What about image distance? In the image distance is already getting the given data. What is the given data here? V is equal to minus 2u. V is equal to minus 2u. Means V is equal to minus 2. Having u value is there. How much u value? Minus 10. So means how much here? V is equal to minus to minus plus. Plus 2 times 20 centimeter. So we are getting the plus value. Plus value means this step. Means where the image is formed, here image will be formed. Okay, so this is the object. So this one object, this is image. So why? Because the image formed right side of the pole. That's why we are getting the positive value. And also it is more than big size than object. So our answer is correct. Understand students? This model question is very very important. Yes. Now second problem is an object is kept in front of a convex mirror. Which mirror? Convex mirror. Of focal length 15 centimeter. So how much focal length? 15 centimeter. The image formed is 1 by 3 times the size of the object. Okay. Once again check here. The image formed is 1 by 3 times the size of the object. Find the position of the image. Means you have to find image distance. So we very hard to find. So here they are not given any object distance and image distance. Only they given only on clue here given. What is the clue here? The image formed 1 by 3 times the size of the object. Only that is the clue. And also they given focal length. So first of all you have to write what they given here. So first you have to write the given data. So what is the given data here? So here convex length focal length means f is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so the 15 is positive or negative? Check once here. So you know very well convex mirror. In the convex mirror, this is a pole, focus, center of curvature. So here the focal length is right side of the pole. That's why the focal length is positive. And object is located at left side of the pole. That's why object distance is negative. And also, if you get the answer, V value must ensure that is the positive value. Why? Because in the first condition, the image formed at focus. Second condition is the object is formed, means the image is formed between P and F. So that's why must ensure the image is positive in the convex mirror. Yes. Next, that's why here focal length is positive. Next, what about second? The image formed is 1 by 3 times the size of the object. Means you know very well magnification formula. What is the magnification formula? So hi by hy is equal to minus v by u. So the size of the image means size of the image and size of the object is equal to 1 by how much times given here? 1 by 3 times. Means simply have to write this way. So what is the formula? Hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. This total is equal to how much times? 1 by 3 times. Means you have to write simply this like minus v by u is equal to 1 by 3. Understand? Means this is the relation. Okay, in case any size they given the 2 times, we have to write 2 times here. In case they give 3 times, we have to write simple here 3. Okay, in case they will give half half times, means 1 by 2 times, means we have to write 1 by 3 here. Next, we have to write, do the cross multiplication here. So 3 into v. So means minus 3v is equal to u. So simply have write means u is equal to how much? Minus 3v. So this one you have to take equation 1. Okay, let's have to take Miller's formula. What is Miller's formula? So Miller's formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So substitute the values. You know very well f value. How much f value? 1 by 15 is equal to u value. So u is arbitrary. U is equal to minus 3v. So means minus 3v plus 1 by v. Now 1 by 15 is equal to, take LCM, 3v and v. So how much here? 3v only. Okay, now 3v into 1 means how much here? Minus 1 plus, so 3v. So v into 3v will become. So that's why minus 1 plus 3. Next, 1 by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. How much? 2. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 3v. Okay, now take the cross multiplication. So 3v into 1. 3v is equal to 15 to z. How much? 30. Understand? Now v is equal to, so here 3 is a division, center side. Multiply. Sorry. Here multiply center side, division. 30 by 3. How much here? 3 1 is 3 10 there. So v is equal to 10 centimeter. How much v value? 10 centimeter. Means what they are asking here? Find the position of the image. This is the position of the image. Means where is the image here? So here total length is 15 and c is 30. Then what about image here? The image formed between P and F. Means 10 means here on image. So here image. What about object distance? So you know v value. In case the question they ask what about object distance means, you know very well equation 1. What is equation 1? U is equal to minus 3v. So this v is substitute here. Means u is equal to minus 3. How much v value? 10. So u is equal to minus 3 into 10, 30. Minus 30 centimeter. This is the object distance. But in the problem they are not asking object distance, only image distance. In case they are asking object distance also means you have to write this way. U is equal to minus 30. Minus means left side. Means object is here. So this is the object. Okay. So means object. This is the second case. Object between infinity and pole. The image formed between P and F. Understand students? This is a easy method. So here most of the students feel difficulty here. How to take 1 by 3 times, 1 by 2 times. Simple. Minus v by u is equal to how much they are given? 2 times or 3 times or 1 by 2 times or 1 by 3 times. Penny penny they will give. Have that this way. Simple. Minus v by u is equal to how much time they give. Understand? Yes. Next we have to go for third question. Yes. Next third problem. So here problem is a concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object placed at 10 cm in front of it. Calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. So that is the question. See, so here only the given object distance given and the relation between image and object distance only they given. Then they want to ask me that find the radius of curvature. Then how to find? So here very important thing is, first of all you have to write the given data here. So what is the given data here? So given data is object distance always negative minus 10 centimeter. How much here? 10 centimeter. Next, what is second clue here? 3 times enlarged image of an object. So already explained. If any time they are asking if any image is 3 times than object or 1 by 2 times or twice, so that type question is came is automatically have to write magnification formula. So what is the magnification formula? M is equal to minus v by u. M is equal to minus v by u. Okay, that m value is positive or negative here. So they give simple clue here. The image formed in front of it means, for example, here take is a concave mirror, 4, focus and center of curvature. Means that the image from this side in front of the mirror means it forms left side of the pole. Means that is why that image is real and inverted image. Which image? Real and inverted image. Why? Because the image from in front of it means the image is from left side of the pole. Means that is a real image. So the image is real means must should the magnification is negative. I said already last time in the previous classes. So image is real, magnification is negative. If the image is virtual, the magnification is positive. So that's why here the image is real image. So real image means must should the magnification is negative. So what is the magnification formula? M is equal to minus V by U is equal to how many times here? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. That's why I had to write minus 3. Here why minus 3? The image is real image. So image is real means the magnification is minus. So that's why minus V by U is equal to minus 3. Then minus minus cancel. V is equal to, here U is division, so that's a multiply. So V is equal to 3U. Okay, yes. So for example, you have taken this equation 1. So already U value you know very well. U is equal to minus 10 centimeters. This U value is substitute in equation 1. Here what happened? V is equal to 3 into U value how much? Minus 10 centimeters. So then what about V value? V is equal to minus 30 centimeters. How much V value? V is equal to minus 30 centimeters. Now here you know object distance and image distance. Then we want to find radius of curvature. So how to find radius of curvature? First of all, you have to find focal length of the mirror. So what is the focal length formula? So focal length formula is nothing but Merez formula. What is Merez formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So that is the Merez formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So here 1 by f is equal to. So what about u value? 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by. What about v value? Minus 30. Now 1 by f is equal to here 10, 30. So take LCM. So take LCM is 31. Okay, 10 3s. Here minus is there. Minus 3 plus into minus minus. 31 is 1. Okay. That's why 1 by f is equal to minus 3 minus 1. Means minus 4 by 30. So now take reciprocal. F is equal to minus 30 by 4. F is equal to minus 30 by 4. Take cancellation. 2 2s are 2 15s. Means minus 15 by 2. Minus 15 by 2 means how much? 15 halves. How much? Minus 7.5. How much? Minus 7.5 centimeter. That is the focal length. But they are asking that what about radius of curvature? What about radius of curvature? You know very well what is the relation between radius of curvature and focal length. The relation is r is equal to 2f. R is equal to 2f means radius of curvature twice of the focal length. That's why here you have to this way. 2 into 7.5 means how much radius of curvature? R is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. How much? 15 centimeter. That is the radius of curvature of concave mirror. So this one is which condition is? Simple have to compare here. So this is 7.5 focal length and radius of curvature is 15. So here they given object distance 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means object is between C and F. Then what about image? Image formed beyond center of curvature. Means is more than 15. So what about V are here? V is equal to minus 30. So minus 30 means is more than radius of curvature only. Means our answer is correct. Understand students? This model question is very very important, especially in the CBSE and state board exams. Okay, next class we have to discussing about some more problems. Okay, until keep smiling. Thank you.